Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Valencia and today I'm going to show you how I did my hair. So if you're like me and you don't like spending too long in the morning, doing your hair before work or before school or whatever you've got going on, then this is the look for you. And it only took me about 25 minutes, I'd say, not only to dry my hair, but also to give it this, really loose curls, and it still looks very together and it still looks like you've made an effort to, do whatever you've got to do for the day. So if you'd like to see how I did my hair, then please keep on watching. I've never actually timed how long it takes me to do my hair, but whenever I've straightened it or curled it, it's taken me maybe about an hour or an hour and 15 minutes to do it. And I have got out of the shower maybe about 10 minutes ago. It feels dry but damp at the same time. My roots are still pretty wet, so I just want to dry my roots first before I put on some heat protectant spray. I'm just going to quickly dry that using my hairdryer. That feels better. And now I'm using my OGX heat protectant spray. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco spray. And I've got one that's a little bit better, the GHD one, but this one has a nicer scent to it, so I'm going to use this instead today. And just going to spray the ends and the length of my hair with it. Spray a generous amount of that. I quite like this one actually. It's got a lock and an unlock button on the sides, so I know that when it's locked, hardly anything comes out, and then when it's unlocked, there's a good amount of product that comes out of that bottle. So just going to finish off drying my hair. Thought I'd zoom you guys out a little bit because I didn't think you could see my hair properly, but I've put my GHD to get heated. My hair feels quite dry now, I think. Maybe just a little bit more of a blow dry. Okay, so using your hairbrush, you just want to take out all the knots, all the tangles. It doesn't have to be the best of blow dries. You don't want to give yourself a Brazilian blow dry or anything like that. Just a rough dry will do. And once you comb your hair, once you brush it, it takes out all the frizz from it anyway, or it does for me. My hair straightener is heated up now. I'm just going to part my hair down the center. Part your hair the way you want to. You can do a side parting, a middle, just let your hair sort of, fall where it wants to if you like as well. But I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and there you go. I mean, this is how easy it is. I'm just using the viewfinder in my camera to do this. I don't even need a mirror for it. But once you've done that, just brush your hair again so it's all nice and smooth. And then just take it behind my ear. What I like to do is just twist all of my hair into sort of a loose twist. You can twist it tighter if you'd like sort of tighter curls, but if you want loose beach-like waves, then just a loose twist is fine. And then using your hair straightener, you just want to press onto your hair for about, count to 5 really. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move it lower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just let your hair sit there whilst it cools down, and repeat on the other side. Now if you've got thicker hair than I do, then you may want to split your hair into 4 sections. So depending on how you part it as well, if you've done a middle parting like I have, maybe split your hair just above your ears and do it in 4 sort of sections, 1 up there, another 1 up there, and then 2 at the bottom on each side. I don't have the thickest of hair, so I can split my hair in two and just do this. And also, if you're going to, I'd say if you want sort of loose beachy curls or loose beach waves, then if you're going to do a side parting, maybe do two on the side where your hair falls and one on the side where you have less hair, if that makes sense. And whilst this is cooling down, I'm just going to wrap this hair up itself again and repeat. Again, counting to 5. And one last time. Now for me, if I go over it just 3 times, it's enough. I don't have to do it again. I'm quite satisfied with the waves it gives, but if you feel like it's not wavy enough, then feel free to either split your hair in smaller sections and go over it once, or you can go over it twice if you need to. So it seems to be quite nice and wavy, very loose. Okay, this side feels cool as well, so let's just loosen those waves. And that is pretty much it. Literally, I'll show you the time. It is hope you can see that. It's only 4:31 and my hair is done. How long would that have been? Less than half an hour. It's taken me to do my hair, and it's soft. It's got that light feel to it, and if I just show you what it looks like from the side, it's got that nice loose feel to it. And yeah, I mean, if you're like me, then you'll definitely love this technique. If you don't like spending too much time on your hair, or if you're running late and you just want to do something really quick to your hair, then this is for you guys. I have been wearing my hair like this for quite some time now, about 2-3 weeks I'd say. I've been doing this to my hair, and it's so effortless, it's so quick. It still looks like, you know, you spend some time on it, and it's still got that shine that you have when you do your hair when you know, actually curl your hair or straighten your hair. It's not a frizzy mess, it looks good. So yeah, if you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of what I do to my hair, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. But otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!